Hi everyone. Today's video will walk you through on how to convert Google Docs documents to PDF. Open up Google Docs in your web browser and you select the documents you want to convert into a PDF. Once it's opened, you click on the File tab at the top left corner of the screen. Then you select Download and you choose whatever means of download you want. So since we are converting it to a PDF, you click on PDF documents. Now, Google will automatically download your file. As you can see, it is now in PDF. You click on it to open it. Now you can see that your Google Docs file or document have been converted into a PDF. So that is how you successfully convert Google Docs to PDF. Hope this video helps. Ensure to like the video and subscribe to TechSoft channel for more useful video content. Bye guys.